Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change name on Tinder. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on Tinder. First, make sure you have the Tinder app installed and open it on your mobile device. Unfortunately, Tinder doesn't allow you to change your name directly, so the only solution is to delete your current account and create a new one. To do this, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings, then scroll and select the Delete Account button. You can skip the reason for deletion by pressing the skip option in the top right. After the account is permanently deleted, it's a good idea to close and reopen the app before creating the new account. Then you can open a new account using the same email or phone number, but enter your new desired name during setup. That's it. This is the only way to effectively change your name on Tinder. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.